Doja, where you at?
I'm right here, let's go.
Oh my God.
Motherfuck the world, motherfuck them all. Talk your shit, Doja.
Come on, fuck them kids. Ain't got nice words for none of them kids. What you heard and what I said. You got snakes all in your kid, yeah. Don't baby uptight, might do it. Don't baby say your ass to the group. Don't baby up and up, might do it. Don't baby eat it up like two said.
You ain't mad at me, that's hormone, bitch.
Put them bees in the bed like come on, bitch. Mask on my face like summer. Looking at a dude looking like it, tell your bitch. Never sign up, show you no bitch. Let me build my portfolio. Fight the urge. Better fight the urge to run my shit. Fight the urge to fuck your bitch. Fight the urge to kick it with. Fight the urge. Better fight the urge to keep getting rich.
Cross that line, it's a flat line, and you out of time like a deadline. Somebody gonna bleed red wine. If a nigga step on my oh my guys don't fix bedtime. Renaissance guy, I'm like red line. Speak my mind, it's another headline. Blood look orange color. I don't win the sixes cause I'm quick to six. On the kiss the flow. Yeah, I look like the innocent. Someone tell the judge I'm innocent. I'm deep how they tried to cancel him, then resubscribe. Fight the earth, make them fight the curse. Fight this like the nerve. Not the type to fight for birth.